tell you, the earnings have been big surprises, everybody. Well, thank you, Nicole. Our next guest, though, says that fundamentally earnings have been good, but there is still a lot to be concerned about with U.S. equities. David White, David B. White, financial founder, is with me for the hour. We've been seeing some actually very nice numbers, and the forecasts have not been as bad as expected. We just saw Caterpillar, 3M, yet you're still concerned. Why, David?
Well, there's a whole bunch of reasons to be concerned. But first, it's fabulous that Apple, Caterpillar, JetBlue are doing so great. I mean, it's wonderful when you love America to see American companies do great like that. But there's some still very fundamental problems. There's technical problems. If you look at charts, that the charts that we look at are parallel to what they were in 2008 and 2000, and they show a downward trend. Plus, you have the whole European situation that overhangs. You've got problems across the top of Northern America and across the top of Northern Africa.
Oh, okay.
And then you also have huge problems here in America with spending out of control and debt just way too high.
Okay, so you mentioned Apple. Let me focus on that one for a second. Apple, again, blockbuster quarter. That's still a global growth story. Does Apple still have the legs to continue? Are you cherry picking specific technology companies now?
Yes. Now, I'm a registered rep for Centaurus, and my opinions don't reflect theirs. And of course, past performance doesn't reflect future performance. But Apple is one of the companies that I love, and I've loved for a long time. There's been if you would have bought that 10 years ago, it would have been 30 times earnings. I mean, it's just phenomenal. And their people love Apple. I mean, they love the products, and it's almost like a cult. And they're not in every country yet. They're expanding rapidly, so Apple's just a great long-term story.
But you still are avoiding the technology sector. I mean, you more so look at sectors for your clients than you do individual stocks.
Yes,
correct,
we
David?
do.
Okay, so you say overall the tech sector, you still have concerns.
Yes, and
okay.
We think it's a great time. You always want to sell high. Market is high right now. It's a great time to take some profits and to move to get into more safe positions. If you were sailing from up from Maine down to Florida, and there was a major storm, you'd pull into Boston Harbor and spend a couple nights in a motel and not risk capsizing or drowning or being pushed backwards. It's the same thing now. You've had a great upturn in the market. Why not go ahead, grab some of these gains and get into some safer investments?
David White, we're going to have a little bit more with you in just a moment. Thank you, David.
Thank you.